Hello everyone, my name is Tina, your housing loan consultant. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. Papakita ko sa inyo ang pinaka-latest building nila, which is yung Building J. Projected turnover for this unit is first quarter of this year. So probably by March, pwede nang lipatan ang mga unit dito. Inaayos na lang yung mga electric wiring. So papakita ko sa inyo yung 3-bedroom unit nila here in Urban Deca Homes. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay, so pagpasok mo sa loob, you will be greeted by their spacious living and dining area. So in this part, nandito yung window mo, which is your source of lighting. What's good about Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, free na ang blinds upon turnover. And then in this part, makikita mo ang provision for window type AC. So dito, pwede mo siguro ilagay yung sofa set mo. And this will be your entertainment area. And then in this part, dito ka pwede maglagay ng dining area. Okay, so let's go sa first bedroom here. Okay, so sa first bedroom, nandito ang window mo. Okay, and then meron ka na din provision for window type AC sa first bedroom. Okay, let's go to the second bedroom. Okay, meron ka na din owning type window sa second bedroom. And then yung AC mo naman, instead na nasa taas, nasa baba. Okay, and then lastly, let's go to the last bedroom. So, katulad ng second bedroom, meron kang owning type window and yung provision for AC mo nasa baba din. So, what's good about Urban Deca Homes, upon turnover, complete finish na ang unit, wala ka na ipapaayos, lilipatan mo na lang talaga. Pakita ko naman sa inyo yung toilet and bath. Okay, so, complete finish na din ang toilet and bath. Meron ka ng shower upon turnover. And then, fully finished na din yung CR. Okay, and then lastly, this part is your kitchen. So, kasama na din ang sink upon turnover. Meron ka na din lower cabinet. If you want to add yung countertop mo, pwede mo naman din ipadagdag yan. So, that's it for our content tour today. If you are interested in a building unit here in Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, feel free to send me a message. See you on my next video and thank you for watching.